Hey, what's going on everybody? So today I'm going to be wrapping the car. So we're going to start off with the side fenders because they're already off the car and I feel like it'd be a lot easier to do that, and then we'll move our way to the bumper and then just the rest of the car at that. I have the weekend to do it. Today is Friday. Hopefully it's done by Sunday. But I have to worry about temperatures because I can't do it while it's too hot, and this is Arizona, so you know, I gotta wake up early morning to do this every single morning. So hopefully I can get it done. The fender should be extremely easy. The hood, I believe, is the hardest thing on the car. Well, not I believe, but it is the hardest thing on the car to do. So the color of choice that I went with is going to be slate gray. This color is popularly seen. It's just a very dark version of avalanche gray and nardo gray. Actually, those two colors were. I was going to choose those before I chose this, but I really want something aggressive. Those colors are aggressive, but they're extremely commonly seen, and I really never see this color in any cars. So, again, that's why I went with this color. It's slate gray. It's really cool. This is from Vivid. I ordered 50 feet of this. So, hopefully that's enough. Well, it is enough to cover this entire car. But it's a lot extra for me because I won't be doing the entire car in all gray. So, it should leave me at least 20 feet of extra wrap. And yeah, so I'll just be working with that today. Hopefully everything goes fine. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it. If I can't do this fender, then I can't do the car, because this fender is really, really easy. It probably has one like aggressive like angle, which is the tip where I'd have to tug around. You guys will see when I get to the video. Anyways, enough talking from me. I'm gonna go ahead and get to wrapping. Please leave a like, please subscribe, all that good stuff. I really want you guys to see the end product just as much as I want to see the end product. I think it'd be really cool. There's so much going into this car right now. So yeah, again, just like and subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and start wrapping my fenders. Okay, so first off with this fender, it's extremely dusty, so we're going to go ahead and wash it. I'm just going to get soapy water, go through it. I usually use dish soap or instead of car soap because it picks up grease a lot better. At least Dawn. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just going to use dish soap. I'm going to wash it down. I'm going to go over it with alcohol and then a microfiber towel. And then over alcohol again if I need to, and the microfiber again. And then, yeah, we'll go ahead and start wrapping it. I'm not going to go all the way down to this. I'm going to do it as if the car was... as if the fender was on the car, and just wrap and tuck all around this instead of wrapping all of it. If I have enough material, I guess I will, but I just don't see a point in that. Anyways, yeah, let's get it. I'm excited. This should be pretty easy. Hopefully. Let's see. Alright, let's go. They're not the prettiest tucks, but hey, they're tucked. Gosh darn it, my knife fell through my pants. I got a hole in my pants, so my blade fell through. But let's look at the first. Let's look at it real quick, alright? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Now you guys gotta remember, Vivid has a lot of brands actually do this, where they have a protective film over the wrap itself for just in case you make scratches or anything like that in the process of wrapping the hood, to which I did. I'm extremely beginner, but it's done, boys. It's done. Look at that. We got it. Yeah. Dang, it looks cool. I think the car is gonna look so good in this color. Gosh darn it! I messed up on one spot, but it should be able to come out pretty easy. There we go. Okay. Alright, it's up. Alright. I I feel like once we put this on the car, it's gonna look. I think the color is gonna look so good. I really like this color. This color looks sick. I'm really excited. That was only one of them, and that took me like almost 2 hours. So I'm gonna give myself a little break. I'm gonna go watch some more tips and tricks on how to wrap these a little bit easier because, well, I really struggled with this one. But dude, it looks good. The color looks so. I'm stoked that we were able to do this, honestly. Like, you know, it's always a learning experience, so it's pretty fun. It's pretty cool that I actually got to do this now. Let's go ahead and, I'm going to leave this here for right now. I'm going to let it curve, quote unquote. And, yeah. Jesus! I'll come back to it later, and if any of these corners folded up, then I'll just look into laying those down again. Anyways, yeah, that's the fender. It looks pretty freaking cool. What's going on, everybody? I have the fender right here, and as you guys see, it is that slate gray. It's not the best looking. It's definitely not a professional job. I have a piece of the layer of like that protective film off just so I can see the color itself, and honestly I think it looks so sick. Again, it's not like an amazing job. Like, I've never wrapped a car in my life, so I think it's cool. I'm going to leave it on no matter what. I don't care what anybody thinks or says. I personally like it. I know it has imperfections and flaws. It was not done by a professional shop. It was done by somebody who's never wrapped anything in their life other than a hood, which was, we even struggled on that. So, yeah, man, this thing, I like it. Personally, I like it. I think it looks pretty cool. Again, there's so many imperfections, so many flaws on a lot of this, but I think it looks freaking sick. I can't wait till it's on the car, and I'll be doing the bumper later on today. Instead of waiting to upload the video of like the color review or anything like that, I think I'm just going to do it all in like separate, you know, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, you know, so on and so forth. So anyways, there's the color. Imagine it on the whole car. It's going to be sick. So yeah, that's the color. If you guys did enjoy this, again, leave a comment, subscribe, like.